I'm doing a vlog right now. Yeah, so I'm here. Like how should I say
With my
it?
pillow and with my sister.
Let's just say it in German. Okay, so this is like let's say.
Can you
No, shut up.
No,
So this like where you can feed the animals. You know, like deers.
Yeah.
And right now I'm doing a vlog today. Okay, so I'm just gonna keep going. So Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I fucking fell. At least I didn't fail that. Okay, so let's keep going. Here, I know it might be a bit dark or some shit, but right now there's no freaking deer. I already fucking fuck. Oh sheesh.
Oh my god.
Okay, let's keep going. Oh shit. I hate bugs and flies. What the fucking fuck is these bugs? I'm so scared. I think I'm gonna go down. How the fuck do I go down there? Okay, so I wanted to go down because there was too much bug, but I couldn't because like when you go down, it's really high and you can fall. So I'd rather walk a bit longer till I actually find some. Okay, you see? Okay. Do you think this is shit? No, hell no, bro.
Oh,
The fuck, the hell's high. Okay. Oh shit. Which way should I go? This way or this way? Let's go this way since I'm going down. Wait. I'm holding the tree. Why you? I know. What the fuck was in my mouth? Oh, here, wait. Now I'm gonna be very careful. Ah, hey. Shitty shit. Okay. Wait, I can go down. Okay. Guck mal, das meine ich. Du musst, let's just keep going. Oh, look at this. Guys, should I go up again? It's so beautiful, right? Guys, I think I might reconsider growing up or down. I don't know. But let's go. Okay, look at the model. Wait, here. Yeah, it's in German because I live in Germany. Anyways, my brother is going up, so who the fuck is calling me? Okay, so look at the more thing. Look, it says Tierfutter. It's for animals, like for giving, you know, like feeding animals. I think no. I wanted to go up, but no shit, Shala. Okay, let's keep going. Oh my gosh, look how sunny it is. This is so beautiful. I love BB's new song. It's so summer vibe and catchy, you know? I think I'm gonna go up. Where should I go? Wait, here. Now let's keep going. Wait. Here. Shut up. Okay, Wish me luck. I'm just using one fucking hand. Okay, good. I did it. Crazy. Anyways, let's keep walking. As you see, if you see my face, you can literally see my infected eyes. Yes, both of my eyes are infected. Now let's keep going. Let's go. Look at this bug. Crazy. I don't know. Fucking fuck. Fuck, bro. So cute here. I don't give a fuck if it's some shitty, creepy ass. But it's cute. What the fuck? Let's keep going. These are the trees that let's say they were cut or some shit. I don't know. But let's keep going. Yes, yeah. Let's keep going. What do you think? Do you hear the sounds? Yeah, you might not hear it that much, but if you put your volume up, you will hear some music. If you hear some two other voices, that's my sibling. Oh shit, what the fuck? Where should I fucking go? Yeah, here. Wish me luck. Okay, let's keep going. This creepy. I fucking. Ah shit. No, it's not creepy, but I hate it. I hate bugs. Ah shit, bro. Oh shit. Oh shit. Shit. Shut up. Oh shit. Shut up. Ah shit. There's bugs. Or some shit. I hate it. I hate it. Fuck. I hate it. I hate it. I hate bugs. They are one of my biggest fears. I hate it so much. But it would be better if there wasn't a bug because, like, honey, who the fuck wants bugs touching them? What else? Biting them? And yeah, stuff like that, you know? Oh shit, what the fuck was that? Okay. Anyways, let's keep going. See this? This is let's say a bridge. Now it's a bridge for people walking. Because then shit, bro. It's cute, right? You hear those birds sounds? Sorry if I'm like talking, you know, like breathing while talking. I don't know how to pronounce it. Ah shit, how the fuck do I go down? Let's go this way. Wish me luck, guys. Sheesh. Now I'm gonna slide the fuck. Oof. Wait, I can go there. Wait, but how? Wish me luck. Shit. Mommy, I need. Give me some time to think. Okay. Just. Oh shit. Ooh. Anyways, the vlog, let's say it's over. Goodbye. I had a really fun time talking with you. Yes, I'm walking down. Look at this. And now